Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick tutorial video on how you can watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV. So there are two different ways how you can watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV. The first way is to have an antenna or to buy an antenna, and the second way is to buy or purchase Hulu or Disney Plus or whatever streaming service you want in order to watch your local channels. Now, keep in mind this will depend, whether or not you're located in USA or Europe. If you're located in Europe, in for example Italy, then you will need to purchase their own app or streaming service for that particular, so that you can watch the channels over the internet if you don't have the antenna. So this is if you have an antenna. So first, make sure you have an antenna or cable box already installed and set up to go. You may need to attach a coax cable to the antenna or box if it doesn't come with one. Now, when you're ready, obviously you need to connect the end of the coax cable to the end in port. This is on the back of your TV. Just go and just connect it. This is how it looks like usually, and this is how it looks like with your TV as well. Now, obviously you need to change the source on your TV to TV. There are a few ways to do this. You can press the source button on your remote and then select the source label TV, or you can press home and navigate to menu and select connected devices. Now from there, you will see which source your TV is connected to. Obviously, you will need to set up the programs with local programs. So once you're on a TV source, use the directional pad or arrow buttons on your remote to select settings and then select broadcasting and then select auto program. What this will do is this will find auto programs and automatically scan and index all the channels that are receiving through the TV input connector. So from there, just select start, and you can select air if you're using an antenna only. You can select cable if you're using a cable box only, and you can select both if you're using an antenna and cable box. So that's pretty much how you will be able to find local channels on Samsung Smart TV. Now, obviously, if you don't have the antenna and if it's too much hassle, just go and purchase a streaming service such as Hulu or a local streaming service in your country, which would be a better option if you don't have an antenna. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.